Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our two of this navigation. One is for our desktop mode, another is for our mobile mode, right? So to the mobile area, there is this type of same things now I want to do and to also apply for our desktop mode area. Here I want to add another bars with this bar. Because of all, we have to create also the category page. We have to create that our single page, that means the product single page, the checkout page. So every pages this menu will be same, that means this navigation will be the same, right? Here I want to do I don't want to load this mega menu for every pages. I only want to add this one of the bars in here into this bars area. I want to load this category. Okay, that means the category and the subcategory menu. So if you want to do that work right now, better I want to close everything. Okay, close everything, close it and close it. Perfect. Now in our, if you go to that home, into the home, I have already done it for the mobile. If you go to that mega menu for the mobile, into the mobile, that is our mega menu, right? Mega menu. So here if you go to that common, and the common, that is our nav menu. So that is a nav menu mobile. So to the nav menu mobile, I have already discussed about that things with you. It's the same things I want to do. I want to load it for the desktop, like here. Before this logo I added one of the button, right? Now I copy this button. I want to apply the same things in our neighbor desktop. So if you go to the desktop, into the desktop area, that is our first column, and there is our link for the logo. Before this I added one of the button. Okay, I added this button, which is totally fine. And then I want to copy everything. That means in our component, into the component, there is a constructor. I simply copy all that functions. I copy it, all that method I copy it, and now in our desktop, into the component area, I paste it. Okay, I paste it. Perfect. So everything will be same. And then in our nav menu mobile, here I have also loaded another div. After that container, that is our div. Okay, so I copy it. Before actually I loaded that mega menu for the mobile. Now I want to create another component for the our all page. So I copy it, and now in our nav menu desktop, after that container, right? After that container, I want to use it. So after that container, there is a nav bar and the div, and after this div I paste it. Okay, I paste this one. So here there is a mega menu before I loaded that mobile. So now I want to create another one. Okay, I want to create another one. If you want to create it, that means that is our mega menu mobile. So now I want to go in our home page. I want to create another new component. I just name it as a mega. Okay, mega menu all. I name it as all.jsx. So I simply created this component. I want to create another class-based component with the RCE. So that is our class-based component. Okay, perfect. Friend, that will be just like that same, better from our mega menu mobile. Okay, move from to the mobile. I want to do and to copy everything. Okay, there is a component. First of all, I want to take this part. I copy it. I copy it from our mega menu mobile. I want to apply that things in our mega menu all. So there is a component here. After that, first of all I want to load it. Perfect. So only we have to change this CSS class. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now if you go to that mobile, and there is a mega menu mobile, into the mega menu mobile, after that that is a returned, and then the div, right? I copy all the div. There is our last div. I copy it, and now in our mega menu all, so there is a mega menu mobile and mega menu all here. That is our returned, and here I want to paste it. So now first of all I want to take only one. Okay, I only take one. That is one, and there another one. I remove it. I remove this one also. I only want to take one because here also we have to change that CSS. Only we have to change that CSS. Okay, so perfect. So now that's everything is great. Now I want to create another CSS that I have already done for the mobile. That means the mega menu mobile, you can see. So now I want to create another CSS. I name it as a mega menu for the all. I name it as all.css. Okay, So that will be as a all.css, and also we have to take it in our custom css. In the custom css we have to import our this new css. I name it, okay, I name it as a mega menu all. So that will be as a mega menu all. Perfect. So I import this css, which is totally fine. So right now we don't need this custom css. And now if you go to that mega menu mobile, the same, okay, same. I copy everything from the mega menu mobile. I copy it, and now in our this mega menu all, okay, mega menu all, here I paste it. So now I only want to replace that our css class name mobile to all. Okay, I name it as all, and then that will be not mobile, that will be as all, that will be as all, and to just replace that name, that is a panel will be as all, and the div will be as all, and then I make it as all, and then also all, the all mobile, and replace it with the all. There is another one, all, and then the mobile all, and then also item all. Okay, I simply change that css class name, which is totally fine. Okay, which is totally fine. Now I click as a save all. So now we have to update the same class in our this component that I have created as a mega menu all, right? So to the mega menu, that will be not mobile. I have changed that css class, that will be as all. I name it as a all. That is the accommodation menu, that is accommodation menu div all, right? So if you go to that all css, so I name it as a you can see the accommodation menu div all, which is totally fine. And that will be also all, because now there is a accommodation all. I have actually used it, so I have used it as a accommodation all, which is totally fine. And also that will be as a all, everything will be same. And then panel will be as a panel all. I name it, if you go, I name it as a panel all, right, which is totally fine. And then accommodation item all, I want to use it as a all, and then all. Perfect. So friend, that's all. And also there is another one as accommodation, I use it as accommodation all, right? So I simply loaded this part, everything is looking great. So now we have to actually load it. We have to load our this menu, that means our mega menu all. We have to load it in our desktop. So into the desktop, before I load this as a mega menu mobile, so now I'm going to change it here. That will be as a mega menu all, right? Mega menu, you can see there is a mega menu all. So now I'm going to load this mega menu. So this mega menu will be now executed, and also it should be inputted. You can see imported mega menu all from our home and the mega menu all. So now our this menu will be loaded, right? Now let's check this out. Click as a save all, and now if you go to your page, now click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now loaded. Click it. Yes, perfect. So this menu is executed. Okay, you can see it's executed. So right now there is another menu I have loaded. So I have loaded which one? In our nav desktop. To the next desktop, now I have loaded our this mega menu all. This mega menu all means in our home, and that is the mega menu all, right? So into the mega menu all, right now they have the one button. Better I copy it, I paste, I simply add it. So literally every data will be dynamic, that means every menu will be dynamic. So now I simply create the design. Okay, so I simply paste it, click as a save all, and now if you go and now refresh it, now this part is also working perfectly, and also our mega menu that is loaded, everything is working perfectly, right? There is a categories and side category, and also if you want to check that mobile view is also working perfectly. Everything is great. Okay, everything is great. So now everything worked perfectly. So now friend, in our next video I want to upload, that means I want to deploy this project to our server, that means a web server, and with this web server I want to also test it. Okay, so I hope you already know about it, how to deploy the project to the web server. So in our next video I will do the things with a live example. thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.